Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Unlimited. This is Amy Jonathan, and in today's video we'll be unboxing Lenovo Ideapad S340. Before that, if you haven't subscribed for our channel, please click on the subscribe button below. This is the box. Let's get started. Let me open the seal. I'm so excited to do this. Let's see what all we have got. We have a warranty guide which covers 1 year on-site warranty, and this is our 65 watts adapter. Let me keep this aside. We have the setup guide which came along. Here we go. Appearance wise, it looks slim. That's nice. It's very light and weighs only around 1.7 kgs, which is going to make our lives easier. Yes, you can carry it around. The top part is made of anodized aluminium. It is platinum grey in color, which is giving the laptop a premium look. Let's look at the ports. It comes with two A-type 3.0 USB ports and a full-sized SD card slot. The other side, the audio port is 3.55mm audio jack, which doubles as a microphone port. Unfortunately, we don't have a Thunder port. Then here we have a Type-C USB port. We have a HDMI port. Then we have the charger point as well. So about the speakers, it comes with two downward firing Dolby audio speakers. I would have preferred if this was top firing speakers so that the sound would be directed towards me. Let's open this. It comes with 15.6-inch backlight display. As you can see, this comes with a narrow 3-sided bezel full HD display. Let's see about the camera. It comes with 720 pixel HD, which is okay for a day-to-day video call. And the best part is it comes with a privacy shutter. Yes, so you can close it when you don't use the camera. This feature you generally don't see in many laptops. You can open the display flat to 180 degrees. Wow, that's really cool. Let's look at the keyboard. It comes with a full-size backlit chiclet style keyboard with 3 levels of backlight adjustments. So you have good travel between the keys. It comes with a decent sized trackpad which supports Windows multi-gesture. That's really cool. Now let's talk about the technical specification of the laptop now. This laptop comes with the Intel Core i5 10th generation processor and the model number is 1035G1. It comes with the 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. It also comes with a dedicated 2 GB NVIDIA GeForce MX 230 graphics card. When you look at the memory aspect, it comes with the hybrid storage with 256 GB of SSD and 1 TB of hard drive. So let me show you the booting speed. It hardly takes 3 seconds to boot up. That makes this laptop special for me. Coming to the pricing, Lenovo Ideapad S340 15 IILT costed me around 65,000, but the pricing may vary. Thanks for watching. If you want a detailed review about this product, please comment, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please do not forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.